Hey, it's Mr. Burtis. I was asked by a viewer a couple weeks ago, is there anything you can't fix? And my answer is yes. There's a lot of things I can't fix. There's a lot of things that I can't do. So, for example, I haven't worked on my own car since the early 90s when I was the most intelligent thing inside the car. The wife may beg to differ about that. The other thing I can't do is I can't weld. I tried welding a long time ago working for a farmer when I was a kid. He decided he was going to teach me how to weld so I could work on the equipment. After about 2 hours, I know what a bead is in welding and I know what one should look like. The holes that I burned in the middle wasn't part of it. This is before you could get awards for just showing up. He tapped me on the shoulder and said, "You suck at welding. You're going to drive a wheat truck." So when I have issues at home, I can't figure out, if I don't have the right equipment, the right know-how, or I can't find a YouTube video that explains it well enough, I got to call somebody. In this particular instance, I had a problem with my hot water heater. Don't have a clue what to do, don't have the right equipment, so I needed to call a general contractor. So I picked up my phone and I called Jay Natali and Son. I've known them for 15 years. They do high quality work at a reasonable price and always have done great jobs for me, including total renovation of a bathroom, a lot of demo, some electrical, and a lot of plumbing. Now, just like any other great contractor, you're not going to get them exactly when you want them most of the time. So I called Jay Natali and Son to come over and take a look at this. They took a look at it, were able to fix it. So I want you to remember, you always need to make sure that if it's over your head, you don't have the equipment or the know-how, it could end up costing you more if you don't hire somebody to do it.
Alright, so we were going to put a little heat shield here because the pipe was in such close proximity to the exhaust. But since the copper goes all the way down now and the nipple is no longer exposed, we're going to leave it as is.
Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. See you in the shop.